The question posed by Sultan on the YouTube is, Assalamu alaikum, sir. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My question is there anyone alive in this world currently who will not receive a single guna in Jahannam? If I understand the question correctly, the questioner is asking that is there anyone currently living who will not get a punishment for single guna in Jahannam? The answer is different. If the question is there anyone living today who has not done a single sin, then the answer is no. The only people who are sinless are the Anbiya, the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, I don't know of anyone living today in the world who has not done a single sin. But if the question is that is there anyone who will not receive punishment in the Jahannam? Inshallah there will be many. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to forgive someone, even after he has committed sin, if the person repents, inshallah, Allah is Rahmanur Rahim, He is Ghafurur Rahim. And there are various hadith in which the Prophet said that if the servants of Allah sin during night and if they ask for forgiveness in the morning, Allah will forgive them. If they sin the full day and they ask forgiveness in the night, Allah will forgive them. So if a person does sin and if he repents sincerely, and there is two types of forgiveness. One is maghfirah, where Allah forgives. Even Allah forgives, on the day of judgment, Allah will question you for that sin. But He will not punish you for that because Allah has forgiven you. There's one type of, it is rafa. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. So here, the afwa that is there is forgiveness with removing any record. Allah will not question you. If Allah forgives you in the higher level, where Allah will not question you, so the sin you have done, Allah will not question you on the day of judgment even about that. So that type is a higher forgiveness. So, is there any human being who will not be punished in Jahannam for a single sin? Yes, there will be many. Those people who repent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and who are sincere, inshallah there will be many. But if you ask, is there any human being who has not committed a single sin now living on the face of the earth? Then the answer is no. Hope that answers the question.